Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Erin and today we are going to talk about a new indie brand. Well, they're new to me. I don't know how new they are, but I think they're fairly new. Anyways, we're going to be talking about Dito Cosmetics. Now, I heard about this brand from Betty Jane here on YouTube, or Butte Bean. She did a video testing out some of their products that they sent to her. I will leave a link in the description box if you want to check it out. These products were not sent to me. I just really liked the idea of them, so I decided to check out the brand for myself and pick some stuff up. I have two palettes. I don't know what kind of eye look I want to do. So let me tell you about the palettes and maybe you guys can give me some ideas, even though you really can't because I'm talking to a camera and not to you at this moment because you're not watching it. Anyways, whatever. This is the Neon palette, which I think the packaging is so freaking cute. Look how cute that is. But it looks like this, which I'm very excited about. I think the color I'm most excited about is Azure right here. Azure. I like that name. It's really pretty. I'm not sure if I consider these neons. I do think they're bright, very bright, pretty colors, but neon, we'll see. But that retails for, let me look, $26.99. And then they have some Muse palettes. I picked up the Hera palette because I thought this color story was the prettiest. They also have an Aphrodite one and an Athena one. I actually liked all three. I would love to get all three, but this is the one that spoke to me the most. Look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my god. I really like that they do this marbling in their shadows, some of them. I don't know, it's kind of like weird, but like in a good way. They also have a glitter down here, but I probably won't use that because you know how I feel about glitter. But look how pretty this like packaging is. There's the mirror. I know it's like super distracting, but like the detail around it is so pretty. I just really like the idea of doing the goddesses and gods. I really like that idea. It'd be cool to see some god themed palettes. A Hades palette, I would die for that. Hades is my fave. When I was learning Greek mythology in college, I loved when we talked about Hades. It was my fave. I actually prefer Aphrodite to Hera, mostly just because I don't like that Hera is married to Zeus, because Zeus is the worst god in my opinion. I can't stand him. Anyways, I don't know why this turned into Greek mythology class with Erin, but it did. So anyways, the Muse palettes retail for, let me check, $32.99, and I actually got these on sale, so I think like 20% off or something like that. So I did get these with a little discount, which was nice. So yeah, this is a new brand. I've rambled long enough. Let's get into it because today is gonna be 100 degrees here. And like I stated in my last video, we do not have air conditioning. So I'm gonna try to film before I start sweating. So if you do see sweat, I'm so sorry. But like, I'm dying, so. We might be getting air conditioning though, so. Fingers crossed, everyone. Okay, so should I use both palettes? Maybe. Do I know what look I'm doing? No, I do not. No, I do not. No, I do not. Are we surprised? You shouldn't be. We're gonna do a blue look. I'm feeling some blue. So we're gonna take the shade Sky right here from the Neon palette. And I'm going to put this in my crease area. So just gonna fluff this. Ooh, wow, a lot goes a long way, so, or a little goes a long way. Okay, so what do we want to talk about? Let's see, what have I been doing? Trying not to die. Oh, we think our house is haunted. I like how that's what I lead with when I'm doing makeup. I'm like, so we might live in a haunted house. I mean, take that with a grain of salt. I'm sure not everyone believes in ghosts, but we've had some experiences here that are suspicious. I mean, I'm sure there are like reasonable explanations for some of them, but my mind, the horror lover, crazy person that I am, automatically goes to we are haunted. Not we, the house. There's a difference. That's fun. Might be haunted. The house, not us. Here's something we can talk about. I think I'm gonna change my background. So, as you can see, I have a tapestry in the background, and it's been in the background for 3 months. I think I figured it out. 3 months. And the thing is you don't really see the full tapestry in my videos. And because of the height that I'm at, the tapestry's higher. So, and I can't move it because I have this bookshelf in the way, which I'm trying to get rid of, but you know, money and stuff. So the tapestry is kind of not doing what I want it to do. So I'm thinking that I'm going to take the tapestry off and put it somewhere else because I love the tapestry. And I want to keep it in the room, but you know, it's not doing its purpose anymore. So instead, I think what I'm going to do is get some pictures and make a gallery wall of sorts behind me with like some spooky kind of pictures. Some pretty ones as well, but some spooky pictures, you know? Like some horror themed pictures. Because I gotta keep the, you know, I gotta keep the theme here. Gotta keep my horror theme going, because that is half of my channel. Okay, next I'm gonna take the Hera palette, and the shades are from the Greek alphabet, like that's how they're named, and I'm not good at that. So I'm gonna take this light blue shade. It's very pretty, and I'm going to blend out the shade that I just put down. I really like the colors of both palettes, and I really like the formula so far. Very nice. No complaints yet. I don't know why I said it like that. Sorry. I'm all over the place. I don't know if you guys can tell. You guys shouldn't be surprised though. Half this video is just gonna be me talking and everyone's gonna be like, why aren't you using the eyeshadow? And I'm gonna be like, well, I was, but you know. I accidentally just put my finger in this shade and like messed it up, so don't pay attention. I'm gonna take this dark blue shade right here and I'm going to put that in the outer and inner corner because we're doing a halo eye today, guys. I know, that never happens because I never do halo eyes anymore. Because, I don't know, because I'm bad at them. Ooh, that's pretty. That's a gorgeous blue. These shadows are actually very impressive. These shadows are blending so nicely together, and this like navy color is really, really nice. It's not like patchy or skippy or anything. I've noticed with some navies they can be a little patchy. I think navy's just a hard color to do sometimes. Let's see, what else? Oh, I bought these little carts so my makeup's like right here next to the table I'm filming on. I forget that you guys can't see this. So it's right next to it and it's kind of on this like stool kind of thing. I have a tray of makeup on this stool and that's what I bring over when I do my makeup on camera because I don't have a big enough table to have my makeup and my my camera's right there, to have like my drink and my phone and the makeup I'm using and my mirror, you know? So I don't have room, so I have this little thing next to me. But I bought these carts from Michael's. I bought 2. I bought one for books because I'm going to put my TBR pile in the cart. That way it's easy to like separate from my bookshelf. And then I bought another cart so I can just wheel my makeup over that I'm using at the current moment. How cute is that idea? How good is that? Like, I'm so proud of myself. I say like I invented this when in reality I'm sure other people did it as well. I don't know. Okay, leave me alone. Just like really proud of like my thinking that through. This is beautiful. I am so in love. I'm gonna use this marbled shade, which I've destroyed. It looked so pretty, but I messed it up because I touched it. So go me. I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer. I'm gonna put some on my brush, just like a flat shader brush right here. And I'm going to tap it where I want to lay down the shimmer. So I'm gonna pick up that marble shade and whoa, it's like a red with a champagne-y river running through it. This is not the this is not what I thought it was gonna look like. Not like the shade, it's like what I didn't know. I didn't know this was what my look was gonna look like. So I'm gonna take more of that navy color and just kind of blend it on top. That's pretty. Okay, that's interesting. It's an interesting shadow. Wow, I don't know. It's a weird shadow, but not weird in a bad way. It's like weird in a cool way, if that makes sense. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm actually really liking it. I really think it's pretty. So I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera. Then we will do the lower lash together. And then I will tell you guys what I'm thinking so far. So I'll be right back. Okay, so my face is done. Ignore the freckles. I am still testing out these freckle pens from ColourPop, and my God, I don't think I like them. I think my freckles look so bad with these things. I used 3 freckle products, okay? I used 3 freckle products today. I used the ColourPop freckle pen in soft brown. I used the Lime Crime freckle pen in amber, and I used the Freck, my dog was barking, the Freck XL. I used these 3, and I still feel like my freckles look weird. I don't know what this, ignore it, okay, ignore it, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. Anyways, so let's do the lower lash line, shall we? I'm going to take the shade Navy from the Neon palette. I'm going to put it on the outer and inner parts of my lower lash. Like that. My dog is a psycho. Okay. Then I'm going to take Sky, again, this shade from the Neon palette, and I'm going to blend out the navy shade with this shade. These shadows are so pigmented and super easy to blend. Next, I'm going to take the shimmer shade we used from the Hera palette, this marbled one, and I'm going to put that in the middle on my lower lash. God, this shimmer's so pretty. Okay, then for the inner corner, I'm going to take this shimmery champagne highlight color, and I'm going to pop that on the inner corner. Inner corner. That's a new word. Wow, these shimmers are really nice. Look at that. Look at that sparkle. Wow. I sound like Jennifer Coolidge when I sound like that. Wow. Well, not anymore, but I did. Ooh, this is so pretty. Okay, I'm going to throw on my mascara. and a lip, and we will be right back, and then we'll discuss thoughts. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really, really like this. I think it looks really good. I love the colors. That shimmer is stunning. I love the blues. So let me zoom you guys out and we'll chit chat. Okay, so let's talk about the neon palette. I think the packaging is so stunning, and I think the mattes, well, they're all mattes. I think the mattes are amazing. The formula is fantastic. I do wish they were like a little bit more like neon. I feel like this is more just bright. On camera, it's coming off a little bit more bright than in person. The colors are stunning though. I cannot wait to use these again. These purples are beautiful. This pink, I love this green. I told you azure I really want to use. I really, really, really like the formula of this one. It's really nice. The Hera palette is stunning. The artwork is gorgeous. The packaging is so beautiful. I love the detail around the mirror. I think it just looks so cool, and I think the shades in here are stunning. These shimmers are beautiful. This marbled one is fantastic. I really liked this one as well. I think the mattes blend just as nicely as the neon palette. This makes me want to get the other Muse ones, the Aphrodite and the Athena palette. I kind of really want them as well. Do I need that many palettes? Of course not. Do I want it? Yes. So yeah, I'm actually really impressed with Ditto Cosmetics. Also, their name, every time I go to say it, I want to say Ditto, like the Pokemon Ditto, which is one of my favorites. I know everyone like hates him, but I think he's so cute. Anyways, it makes me want to say Ditto, but it's Ditto? Ditto, I think. Ditto Cosmetics. I could be wrong, to be fair. It could be really wrong, but I think it's Ditto Cosmetics. I do want to say Ditto though. That would be cool if it was Ditto, because then it'd be like the Pokemon, so. Yeah, I really like these. I think they're beautiful. I really like the formula, and I'm very excited to have a new brand on my radar. I love these indie brands coming out. They're just so innovative and different and so unique, and I'm just so here for it. I'm so here for it. So if you have any other indie brands you would like me to check out, leave them in the comments down below. I'm making a list. I'm checking it twice. I'm Santa Claus giving you content. I am so weird today. Oh my god, am I okay? I don't think I am. Okay, well, if you have any brands that you haven't seen a lot of people talk about, or you're just super interested in the formula or whatever, foundation, lipsticks, you name it, just let me know in the comments down below what you would like to see, what brands, and I will put it on my list, and then I will have a looky look, because I'm finding a lot of brands, which means a lot of makeup. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It lets me know what kind of content you enjoy from me. That way I can keep providing you with that content. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, and we can become friends and talk about makeup and horror and books and all kinds of things, because I do a lot on this channel, so hopefully there's something for everyone. Leave me a comment if you have tried anything from this brand, or if you are eyeing anything from this brand. And yeah guys, I hope you have a great Monday, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye!